Today I will be giving you some basic information about the art forms of Odisha. Odisha is the land of artists and craftsmen. Patachitra is one of the traditional art forms of Odisha and Shaurya art is the traditional art form of Shaurya tribal community. The Shaurya painting is called Idital and the artist is called Idital Ma. Shaurya tribes are also found in Maharashtra, so you can find some similarities in their paintings. It slightly resembles Warli art of Maharashtra. Like in Warli art, they use triangles, circles, and stick figures. You can give a curved line to draw hands in Shaurya art. In Warli, they use straight lines only. The head and body are proportionate in Warli art. In some Shaurya paintings, head is small compared to the body. They draw ritualistic paintings on mud walls, especially during birth and festival. The wall is cleaned and plastered with red soil. Paste made from powdered rice is used as white color for the paintings. They use bamboo sticks in place of brush. The drawings are done only in black and white. Small stick-like figures, dots, patches of black are mainly used to narrate epic length stories in a single wall. This type of leaves you can see in Warli art also. Patachitra literally means painting on cloth. Pata means cloth and Chitra means picture. So it's a painting done on cloth or canvas. They prepare the canvas by coating the cloth with a mixture of chalk and gum made from tamarind seeds. Dekurajpur is a small village in Odisha where you can see all these art forms. The whole village is dedicated to this art. Every household in this village is an artist. The traditional artists mostly use a special handmade paper from tamarind seed. They use natural colors from fruits and flowers. Powdered shells mixed with these colors are used to make the paintings. Patachitra paintings are based on Hindu mythology. If you see, mostly it resembles the murals of Puri and Konark. You can see beautiful Radha Krishna paintings in Patachitra. The dress style and the intricate jewelry work has Mughal influence. All the paintings are seen in close views. No landscapes, no perspectives, or no distant views. You can see decorative borders with beautiful motifs and designs. They use vibrant shades of orange, red, and yellow color all over. And they use blue color for Krishna. You can make beautiful cards using this art form. Paint it with vibrant colors and paste it on color sheets to make your cards. Or you can do it on a canvas and use it as a home decor. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.